Hey everybody, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace my old Engine Hoist ram right here with a new one I bought from Harbor Freight. It's this one here is a 3-ton. I'll show you, right? So the one, this Engine Hoist is old. It's probably about like 15 years old, and it just keeps leaking. It's leaking out of here. So I mean, it doesn't. There's probably almost no fluid in it now, so it barely lifts up. So what I did was, I got this 8-ton, but I upgraded. It has a little air line. So all you do is you hook the air up to it, and you pull the trigger, and it jacks it up. You don't have to manually do it. You can manually do it if you want to, and then you still have the release. So this is it in the box. And we got the arm. Nice. Around it. And I need 2 hands for this, I'm sure. Yep. So this is fairly easy. All I gotta do is take this big monster bolt out, and then it's done. The top bolt, when you store it, you just put the top bolt in, and this folds down. So let me go get a socket and a wrench for this guy and put the new one on and test it out. Hopefully it has fluid in it. I would think it would, but we'll find out. Alright, so that bolt is 24 millimeter or whatever, probably whatever standard is, or 15/16. This on here, this here. There we go. That was easy. I'm going to take this out. Box. And that garbage. So this is going to go like that. Alright. Let's lay this down. Just look for this hook. I just have 4 of them. I only have 3. I wonder if that means it's still on a car. Oops. Let's see if I can do something here. Look at that. So I wanted to get this out of the way, so I hung it on the car. The car's up in the air. So now this, swing out, and pull the bolt out. Now this goes in a jump pile. I know I'd probably do the seals and fix the seals, but I just don't want to. Tight clearance. All right. There. Too tight, which I just did. Still too tight. There we go. Let's kick off. Alright, let me look. Yeah, the instructions real quick. I'm gonna see if it says fill or if it comes pre-filled. Okay. It doesn't say anything about anything. No stickers, no. So I think we're good. Let's see. Okay. Ready? Oh yeah, look at that. That makes me happy. I was looking at this. I was like, what is this thing for? You pull the trigger, keep it on there, and just go all the way up. I need to pull this out, boom, and flip it around. Okay, well that's cool. Now let's see, what do I do with this? Alright, so this has to come out. It's the pin. Okay. I might use it tonight. I'm going to see if I can pull this engine out of this Silverado out there. So I'm going to go out there and sort of rip it apart and get ready to, I'm going to see if it uses jack to take it out.